P. Smith with the Graduated Money brand, where we teach you how to make money different ways, how to be independent, how to work for yourself, how to get the bag as long as you have an online internet connection. If you clicked on this, you're definitely interested in how you can eat for free by promoting these food delivery apps. DoorDash is one of them that I'm going to talk about today. There's also Postmates, there's Eat24, there's Grubhub. You can do this with any of them. You just have to copy the exact blueprint that I'm going to give you today. How I made
$340
in one day promoting DoorDash on Twitter. We're going to be grubbing for days, okay? Hercules. If you have never heard of DoorDash before and you've never used it, do me a favor for giving you this information for free. It costs you nothing and you get $10 out of it. It might change by the time you watch this video. It might go down to 7, it might go to 5, but right now it's $10. There's a link in the description. Sign up for a DoorDash account. You get $10 and I get $10. Get some free food. Watch the rest of this video so you can make money too. And let's get to the bag. Alright, we in. Alright, this is going to be the quickest tutorial you done ever seen on how you can eat for free and make some money promoting affiliate offers from food delivery apps. That was a mouthful. No pun. Let's go ahead and open the DoorDash app. Boom, shakalaka. We in there. Hold up, it's loading. Oh, damn. I gotta set out my 302. Look at that. So this is how many credits I've had promoting so far on DoorDash. I started a couple days ago. And look, these are all the people that signed up. I have no idea who these people are. They're from Twitter. They're from commenting under pretty much viral posts. You'll see some of them say completed, and then the others say they're not. I have $302. I actually have $340, but I spent like $30 on some food. So if we do 17 times 20, that's $340 pending from people that have not placed their order yet. So 320 plus 3, that's $660 that I could have made within 2 days. That's about $330 a day. And if I continue that for the next 30 days, potentially I could have $10,000 in food credits. That's crazy, you guys. So it works. That's a lot of work. I mean, I would say it's probably 2 hours a day. If you have 2 hours a day, you can do it. So I'm going to open up Twitter just so I can show you an example of a couple of my tweets. We're scrolling down. Sorry, it's snowing and I'm a little sick. Let me find one. All right, here's a good one. This Jesus one. So as you can see, I don't know this person. I don't follow this person, KillerCam5051, but he posted a video of Jesus and he said, "This movie just makes you realize he went through all this just for me to live the life I got today. Thank you isn't even enough." So it's one of those generic tweets that people tweet so they can get attention. When I was scrolling my timeline, I seen that his likes were going up crazy. Like I said, in my timeline, in your timeline as well, you will see tweets from people you don't follow if somebody that you follow liked it or replied to it. So you'll notice those tweets by the pure mass of likes and retweets that they have. You know, it's not a normal person that you follow unless you follow a bunch of celebrities, but you can tell, and I'll kind of explain that a little later. So this is how I find tweets that I want to promote on. The whole point of Twitter and an offer is to drive as much traffic to a free offer as possible. So Twitter allows you to get traffic to your affiliate link for free. I don't have to pay no money. I just had to be a little creative. So this is my tweet and what I put under his comment. And if you see, I I took a little gif of Jesus eating popcorn. I related it to the tweet that he had originally. And my tweet says, if you're reading this, Jesus knows you're hungry. So he sent me to give you a free $10 promo code for your first delivery order on DoorDash from your favorite restaurant or fast food spot. We're going to open up the analytics, and you can see this one tweet. I've done about 50 tweets, but this one tweet got 2,000 impressions, 871 media views, 55 engagements, 14 detail expands, and 9 link clicks. That means 9 people actually clicked on the link and they went to see about their offer. Some of them might have completed it. They might have all closed it. But the name of the game on Twitter is volume. The more people you get to see it, the more people will click, the more people will finish, and you'll get paid when people place orders. So this one you see is a random person I don't follow. His tweet said muscle spasms. So my tweet that I replied to it said, so his tweet was fresh muscles will spasm if you pour salt on them. I got a little creative. I said, if you're reading this, I know your stomach muscles are in spasm because you're hungry. Here's a free $10 promo code for your first delivery order on DoorDash from your favorite restaurant fast. Same exact tweet. I just changed it and put a little steak gif on it. Right? It looks bomb. It looks fire. People are sold to with their eyes. That's marketing. It's the reason why your favorite fast food spot is probably your favorite fast food spot, because they marketed to you your entire life, and you ate there and you would decide, wow, the marketing matched the taste, and now I eat there for my entire life. They probably spent $100 on that marketing to get you as a customer, and now you're a customer for life. So I'm going to just go through and find a random tweet. I'm going to just show you live how I do it. So I don't know who this person is. Apparently I follow somebody named Ricky that follows them. So I'm going to go to my page and I'm just going to copy the same tweet. I'm going to copy the same tweet. I'm going to go to the Jesus. I'm going to copy this one. And I'm going to paste it under his tweet that I just found on my timeline. This is how you find them. Scroll your timeline, see something that's going up in likes. As you can see, the likes and the retweets are updating in real time. You find a tweet like that. Who is this? I have no idea who this is. Excuse me. But like I said, it's usually because somebody that you're following liked it or replied to it or retweeted it. I have all my retweets turned off from everybody I follow, but here. So I'm going to just post this as a reply to that tweet. I'm going to change up a couple words. I'm going to capitalize he. I didn't in the last one. I'm going to just take this delicious pizza gif, and that's really it. Like, literally, that's all I do. Literally, that is all I do. All right, I'm going to do it again. Let me find one. Okay, another one. I know I don't follow this girl. It's a baby tweet. So I'm probably going to do... I'm going to probably do like... Oh, wow. I'm going to probably do something related to a baby. So I'm going to just paste the same exact tweet. I'm going to take out Jesus. It has nothing to do with Jesus. I'm going to just say, if you're reading this, I know you're hungry. And I'm going to do baby eating. Okay. And let's find one. Look at this one. That's it. It's a baby eating. Happy to eat. Reply. That is all I do. People try to make this so much more difficult than it actually is. So the reason why people click on them is because they're scrolling these threads looking for stuff. So you can also find ones by typing in popular terms. So Seattle's a popular term because it's a snowstorm. And this is just me trying to find a tweet that has a lot of attention. I usually try to find things that have close to 100 comments, a couple thousand likes, and then of maybe 100 retweets or something. It doesn't look like there's anything popping in that one. So the other way you can do it, if you don't want to search terms, coming off with National Pizza Day, this is where you guys should be eating. You should be eating with something like National Pizza Day tweet. Everybody wants pizza. So I'm going to just go ahead and do a Cam Newton tweet. Actually, I'm probably not going to do Cam Newton because that might seem like I'm promoting from Cam Newton, and that might be illegal, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just say, I know you're hungry. Same pizza. I'm going to do the same pizza one. That's it. Literally it. I'm going to do a LeBron. I did a LeBron one earlier. I'm probably way down here, but you get the idea. So you just go through, find viral tweets. You find tweets that are going up in numbers, and that's it. Let's go ahead and check back. Woo! Let's go! That is proof that it is working. Proof that it is working. $342 in my account while making this video. I went up $40 while I was making the video. I feel like I got paid to do this, but I didn't. I'm showing you examples of how to do it, and this is proof right here that it works. Okay, so I don't want no excuses. I don't want no type of comments. No, it doesn't work. It only works for you. You do not need a following. All right. None of these people that are signed up are following me. If you just follow the blueprint and you're consistent, you will see results. You got to be funny, though. The whole point is being clever, being funny. And I don't care if you say you're not funny. You can figure out how to be clever and funny by replying to people and not seeming, there's people online that are going to be like, oh, you spamming, whatever. They probably entered their code anyways because they're hungry. So, yeah, that's it. If you have some results, I would love to see them. Comment telling me you got results, or send me a message on Instagram. That's @BoomFuego. And I just love to see everybody making money, eating for free. Let's get it.